Hey, future billionaires. I know many of you have been wondering, where is Tyrone? You haven't seen me for the past couple of weeks on our channel, but just wanted to let you know that we were working with another business owner to help them build their YouTube channel. So what we've been doing is conducting live streams for that business owner. Her name is Loida Figueroa. Loida has actual audio content where she produces audio books for individuals. As a matter of fact, she produced our audio book for FedNow. So many of you have seen that book released on our website, in addition to on our YouTube channel. So I just want to let you know that's where we've been. Loida also has a credit repair business where we conducted a live stream for her with regards to her business. So both of those live streams, you will find them on her YouTube channel. I will put a link in the description of this video so that you can head over to our YouTube channel and view those live streams. Now, YouTube does not allow you to actually share the actual live streams on our current channel and another, individual's platform. So we are not able to share those live streams on our video content channel in addition to Loida's content channel. So what we did is allow Loida to take those live streams and share them on her YouTube channel to build her YouTube channel. So guys, what we're going to be doing in the next couple of weeks, as a matter of fact, in the next couple of months, what we're going to do is actually feature different businesses. Those live streams will actually be on our YouTube channel. So if you're an individual that has a business, and again, if you're subscribed to this channel, we know that many of you are business owners or aspiring entrepreneurs looking to become business owners, send us an actual email to live@imgtsolutions.com if you want your business to be featured in a live session interview. We will conduct a live interview so that gives you an opportunity to give us details about your business and to share information about your business to the world, guys. So we're going to be conducting those sessions in the next couple of months. So again, send us that email and we'll definitely look to get you featured in our live interview sessions. So go ahead and subscribe to our channel now so that you don't miss out on any of the live stream sessions that we have coming up. We want to make sure that you have the latest and up-to-date live stream sessions brought to you.